Which shooter's foreign?
Down the street, my nigga. Let's go slide right now. Right now.
Tax man, got him. Drop him on the spot.
Alright, today I'm going to be doing a head-to-head between the Glock 17 and a Glock 34. So the target I got is a skills target. I'm going to do 5 from the Glock 17, 5 from the Glock 34, 5 from the Glock 17, 5 from the Glock 34. You get the flow. 5, 5, 5, 5. You feel me? And we're just gonna see which one I do better. Let's get it. While I load these mags up, I might as well have a discussion. You know what I'm saying? Discussion time with Alex Dirt. So look, we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. We need a name for y'all. Oh, I was thinking Dirty Posse. You know what I'm saying?
Regardless whether you like it or you don't like it, you love it, you hate it, one thing for damn sure, you are gonna respect it.
I like that. But I don't know. Y'all let me know down in the comment section what y'all want to be called. You know what I'm saying? We need a name for y'all boys. Gotta be something. I'll load these mags up. And while I do this, we might as well talk about my man Trump for a second. He got hit with 35 count, well, 34 counts. That's wild, bro. What are the chances that we have a president that's in prison when he becomes the president? Like, I personally think the judge should give him any time. You feel me? I'd just say just slap him on the wrist and call it a day, bro. Because the odds of him winning, it don't look. It's not a good look for the president to be in prison, bro. I'm just saying. So, like I said, I'm gonna be using the Glock 34. This is modified. I got a double diamond barrel, a ultimate pyramid trigger from the Glock store. I got suppressor height sights. What else? I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it on this. Then I got a stock Gen 5 Glock, or Glock 17. Only thing I've done to it is replace the sights. I got Trigicon sights. Yeah, stock trigger, all that good stuff. Yeah, let's get it. Like I said, I'm doing 5 on different targets from both of them. So let's get it. I'm gonna start off with the Glock 17. Glock 17. That's 5 from the Glock 17. We're gonna do 5 from the Glock 34. Woo. Is that 4 or 5? This shooting way left. Yeah. The Glock 17 shooting way left. I dropped it like a few months ago, and I guess it shifted the sights. Yeah. So I'm gonna do 5 more. Yeah, shooting super left. Yeah, shooting super. Alright, hold on. I'll show y'all my target. So look. I dropped the Glock 17 like a couple months ago, earlier this year or some shit, and everything is hitting left. The sights shifted a little bit, and as you can tell, everything is left. This is the Glock 17. This is the Glock 34. And then down here, Glock 34. All the 17. I was aiming here. They all hitting over there. Consistent, to say the least. Then down here is 34. And then again, the 17. I got that one because I shifted the iron sights to the right. So the front post was on the right side of the back post. And they hit in the middle. So I gotta slide you see the back is, y'all can see that? Oh, they not straight. Like they shifted to the left. Yeah, so I gotta fix that. But yeah, that'll do it.